Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best glove. Here are the top 3 gloves that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Glove Station Tactical Rubber Knuckle Gloves. Its molded knuckle plates protect knuckles from harsh environment during various types of covert operations. These gloves are double-stitched for durability, and its flexible neoprene joints provide unhindered range of motion. This glove is meticulously crafted with WC Sims Ultramail that renders toughness and sustainability for long-lasting use under any circumstances. The added textured inner pump fabric enhances grip while the leather index and middle fingers tips increases dexterity. The full padded mesh runs throughout the back of the gloves to let moisture out, and the rubberized aero vents improve airflow. At number 2. Oakley Factory Pilot Glove. These glove features premium leather and durable synthetics with flexible articulated construction. It comes with full-grain leather pump and surfacing palms and fingers for a secure grip and entails a protection knuckle. Its mesh zones and rubber exhaust parts ensure comfortability and are made from quality materials which provides breathability and long hours usability. The Oakley Factory Pallet Glove is composed of 53% nylon, 19% polyester, 12% elastane, 11% neoprene and 5% polyurethane. This accessory is used by different personalities and athletes for various sports including skiing, kickboxing, motorbike riding and others. At number 1. 5.11 High Abrasion Tack Glove. 5.11 High Abrasion Tack Gloves are a durable yet comfortable glove that is well known for its durability among users. It comes with a 10 double synthetic heat pump with an internal padded knuckle and has a 4-way breathable, stretch material. It will deliver high abrasion resistances in order to keep hands safe and protected from any injury or harm. This glove features 3 fingers with ring-cut microfiber strips for extra grip, notch index and thumb cast ethers for flexibility. It is made from synthetic suede polyester spandex and medical-grade strap matte lacquer and has a webbing pull tab with a hanger loop which offers easy access. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.